Blake here from the SRE team at Akka. Today I'm going to give a short demonstration on the Akka serverless platform, built with custom operators in Kubernetes to form a robust and stable environment to run your enterprise production workloads. We're going to showcase the ability of the platform to recover from an underlying regional Kubernetes cluster failure and return services back to full availability. So to start with, we have two projects deployed, each with a sample service inside of them. This second one has a shopping cart as well as a route, as seen here, and we also have a Docker Hub container registry secret, which is propagated into here as a Calyx secret. We also have some data inside the shopping cart service, as seen in here, and we can go into the events, and we can see that we have some data loaded into the service. And finally, we can also use a curl command on that route and show that we have 12 Akka t-shirts currently inside the service. So I have simulated a regional Kubernetes cluster failure by deleting it from the backend. Now we still have the projects here because the actual project is sourced in a different location. However, if I go into it, we can indeed see that that shopping cart service has disappeared, as well as the routes and the secrets and the container registry configuration. That also applies to that second project as well. We took a look inside the console itself, but let's also go and run a get command on the expected shopping cart service, and sure enough we can see that that also is no longer working. The restore process has now been completed, so we are able to go into the projects now and confirm that all of our data has been restored. We can see we have the shopping cart, we can see that the route has been restored, the secret has been restored, the container registry config has been restored. We can also go back into this component section and check that we should see from before a state of 12 Akka t-shirts within the events, and sure enough we can see 12. So that covers that project there. We can go back into this one here. We can see that this service has also been restored. Now let's navigate over to the terminal. We will run this internal command here on the cluster itself. We can see age 14 minutes. So that is the newly restored services. We can also go back and we can do a curl command. Sure enough, we can see 12. And we'll put quantity 8. So 12 plus 8 goes to 20. We should get 20 Akka t-shirts back now that we do that. Quantity is 20, so I can jump back into there. We can go to events, and we should see item added in here is 8 up to 20. So we have a full service restoral from a Kubernetes regional cluster failure.